Hi, welcome back to the channel. So recently one of my clients asked me this question. So how do you organize your Notion with your team? So the client was basically mentioning how to kind of share pages. So one of the issues the client encountered is that when the client tried to ask the employees to use Notion, so what happens is that they each have their own workspace and then they create a page and then share with the client's account. So for example, you can see here with digital cookie testing. So this is maybe this is another employee, right? So for the client, they have to navigate into the testing and then they have to access one by one. So if you're an experienced Notion user, you definitely know that this is a no-no. But then if you're a new user and just trying out Notion, it can be confusing. So there are two options you can do. So number one is that if you're a bigger company or you have the financial capability to purchase the Notion Plus plan for each of your members, so which is $10. So what you can do is you can create a team space. So your company name here, and then you can just add members and then share everyone inside here. So the idea is that every time they log into the team space, any page they create will be under here. So second one is that you are still starting out with Notion and then you're not too sure like how far you want to commit, right? So what you can do is that you can create a page here. So you can create an empty page. You can just call this a company page. And then you can just share and then share access to your employee here. And then moving forward, just ask them to come to this page and then whatever they want to create, they want to create their own project tracker, anything, just create under here. So the benefit is that as a business owner, you don't have to go to multiple different workspace or different accounts. And then when you want to create dashboard to kind of link it together, so you can as well. This is just a quick tip. I hope you find this helpful. Yeah, I'll see you again. Thank you.